into this trailer. We are demobilizing this site for the weekend. The grand opening, and then we'll bring all the equipment and the tool trailer back for Monday. So this one has the ramps down here. So you pull this out. Pull these ramps out. There's one. Get out the second one. These things are heavy as fuck and awkward. But makes dumping the dump trailer a lot easier. We will go shut off the lights in this truck. Never forget, strike first, strike hard, no mercy. Lights off. So we'll load up the mud buggy. Those two are loaded. We're putting the 595 skid steer in that bin, and then I'll pick it up with the bin truck. And that's how we'll demobilize this site. Yeah. There we go. So with this one here, these control moving. This here, that controls dump. That's up, down, dumping, throttle. And then the parking brake's over here. So, load this up. Parking brake off. Avoid the mud. Shut her off. Good, how are you guys? Put away these ramps, which are like the world's heaviest fucking things. So once you get them in, they slide in pretty good. That's what locks them in. Get this one. There we go. Locked and loaded. Hunt down a strap for the back, and that's how you load the machine in the dump trailer. Ricky says there's a couple more straps in the box.